Okay, our library is currently under construction. And I'm sorry I couldn't get a beginning one, but this is what it looks like now. Oh, I'm not supposed to pass this. Well, I'm going to put across. Right now it's early. Well, for them in the morning. It's not too early. It's about 15 till 10, or 10 till 10 actually. And the library doesn't open till 10, and they're actually staying open for all the construction. I'll take you as far as I can. Hey, cool. Look at that hole. Look at all the cable. Wow. Wish I could see up that wall. This is also right next to the rec department, so yeah. And there's the senior center in this county. There. Put that wall here. Let me sit you down for a second. I'm still here with you. Just trying to do something. There we go. Oops. Sorry about that. Ooh, a kitty pillar. I always like the kind of wheels. Well, no, they're not wheels. I don't know what you call them. You can look that up. Looks like I can cut across here. Uh-oh. Now I'm in the senior center parking lot. Oops. My mistake. This is their garden. Isn't it pretty? Flowers and tomatoes way back there. A bunch of other stuff. Ooh, they even have sunflowers. Look at that. It's so tall. Focus. Uh-oh. This isn't right either. Here we go. Walk on the side. There we go. Look at little Westby Road. Trying to keep things that you shouldn't see after the picture. It's getting warm out here. Here's the rest. And I'll show you the inside soon if I can. Bye. Now we are going into the library. Dad, will you get the door? Thank you. Isn't he great?
Okay, what's your library card number?
Okay, we are still in the library. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm trying to be quiet. And this is their fake wall for the construction. You can see all up in here. You can even see daylight in some spots. This is the kids section. That's why there's all this stuff on the wall. They're letting the kids draw on this wall only because of the fact that it's going to be coming down soon.